Hello guys, good evening. This is Adrian Velasquez Palau. So my today's video was showing to you guys that I am going to wear up the proper PPE before I will going to start to weld. So at this moment, I am changing the top of the head bonnet. I am changing that one because when I'm going to weld overhead, sometimes there's a spatter that coming into my neck. So I just asked my supervisor to issue me this kind of bonnet. The bonnet is under my feet, in my left feet, that you can see. So that one, this one, it's much more protective when it comes in overhead welding. So as you can see, I am preparing for it, the proper PPE. So at this moment, it's 8:13 p.m. The date is July 1, 2025. So I'm wearing also the soft gloves. Name is the UX gloves. Gloves size 9. Now I'm going to wear my welding mask. The welding mask name is Raptor. This is the I most likely when I'm using this mask, because it has air fan in my back and air coming through my mouth, so it's more